Alright guys, this is Nissan X-Trail fog light 2006, and I just want to reinstall this fog light, and I just want to show you quickly how to remove the bulb and probably replace it. And I just want to do some cleaning because I want to remove this cable as well. So if you look at this side, you will see there's a mark here, and here is like the on and this is the off. So this is the only way you can. I'm going to take it out. That's the bulb, and this is the arrow for the on, or the point at which you can take out the fog light, or the bulb itself. And just going to insert it. If you look here, there are some hooks, about 4 hooks on the side. So is here 1 2 3 4, and it should go in this way with this arrow pointing towards this on side, and that is when it aligns properly. You just push it in, and then you turn it towards the right, not too hard, but just do it gently. Alright, this particular bulb switch is kind of very hard, so it doesn't really get to this point, but so long as it got this arrow has gone past the on button here, or on mark here, then that should be okay. This particular one just pretty hard to tweak around, and sometimes I have to use this. Let's say I want to take it out, I have to use this to turn it back, just to be careful not to break it. Took it back to this point, and then just wiggle it a little bit to take it out. Just wiggle it, and just be careful, not too hard. And now it's coming out. Yeah, it's hard, and I think this gasket is even making it tougher to take out. But that's just not about it. To take it out and to replace, another thing I want to do, I want to take out this cable plug here, and to do that, I just need to press this in, gently. Just need to hold it in. Just make it a little bit better. Just push it in, and then once the hook is off the hook there, and once the button is off the hook there, you can just slide it out. It's pretty tough as well. Yours might not be tough, but just to let you know, it might be pretty tough. Just alright, that's it. And it connects to those 2 terminals, and you just want to do some quick cleaning here. Just pretty kind of dirty. It's not really necessary, just like to do this. Right, just putting everything back quickly now. Alright, that's into place, and this should go on back into the slot, and then turn it clockwise, and perfect.